Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So, today again I am here with an exciting lesson for you. In today's video, we are going to learn 20 advanced words that you can start using in your day to day conversation to sound more fluent. So, without any further ado, let's dive right in. Scarce. Scarce means something that is limited, rare, or hard to find. For example, clean drinking water is scarce in many remote villages. Good opportunities are scarce, so you must grab them when they come. Vulnerable. Vulnerable means संवेदनशील, open to emotional, physical, or social damage. For example, children are more vulnerable to infection than adults. Small businesses are vulnerable to economic changes. Fluctuate. Fluctuate means उतार चढ़ाव होना. To keep changing, especially rising and falling. For example, the prices of vegetables fluctuate with the change of seasons. Stock market values fluctuate daily due to economic news. Dubious. Dubious means संदेहपूर्ण, doubtful, uncertain or unsure. For example, I am dubious about the success of this risky plan. He gave me a dubious explanation for being late. Subtle. Subtle means सूक्ष्म, महीन. So delicate, fine or slight that it is difficult to notice or describe. For example, there was a subtle change in her tone that revealed her anger. She wore a subtle shade of pink lipstick that looked natural. Fabricate. Fabricate means निर्माण करना या बनाना. To make or produce something. For example, he fabricated an excuse for not attending the meeting. Some journalists were accused of fabricating news. Diminish. Diminish means कम करना या कम होना. To make or become smaller, weaker or less important. For example, the medicine helped diminish her pain. His confidence diminished after repeated failures. Navigate. Navigate means मार्गदर्शन करना. To plan and direct the course of a journey. For example, it took me a while to navigate through all the settings on my new phone. Pilots are trained to navigate even in bad weather conditions. Optimize. Optimize means सर्वोत्तम बनाना या सुधारना. To make something as effective, efficient or useful as possible. For example, regular exercise helps to optimize your health. You should optimize your study time to prepare well for exams. Observe. Observe means ध्यान से देखना या निरीक्षण करना. To notice or watch carefully. For example, doctors observe patients closely after surgery. The judge observed that the witness was nervous. Comprehensive. Comprehensive means संपूर्ण. Something that is complete, thorough and covering all important aspects of a subject or situation. For example, she has a comprehensive understanding of the topic. The report provides a comprehensive analysis of market trends. A comprehensive health checkup can detect hidden diseases early. Mitigate. Mitigate means कम करना. To make something less severe, harmful or serious. For example, the doctor gave him medicine to mitigate the pain. Good communication can mitigate the misunderstandings in relationships. Leverage. Leverage means फायदा उठाना या लाभ लेना. To use something to maximum advantage. For example, she leveraged her connections to get a better job. Companies can leverage social media to increase brand awareness. Withstand. Withstand means सहन करना या मुकाबला करना. To remain strong against something or resist. For example, he withstood the criticism without getting upset. The building is designed to withstand earthquakes. Bolster. Bolster means मजबूत करना, to support, strengthen or encourage something. For example, the company is investing more money to bolster its online presence. Exercise and healthy food will bolster your immune system. Collaborate. Collaborate means मिलकर काम करना, सहयोग करना. To work together with one or more people to achieve a common goal. For example, the two companies decided to collaborate on developing a new product. Writers often collaborate with editors to improve their books. Discern. Discern means पहचानना या समझना. To recognize, notice or distinguish something clearly. For example, it was hard to discern the truth from all the lies he told. A wise leader can discern the needs of their people. Imminent. Imminent means about to happen very soon or likely to occur any moment. For example, heavy rainfall is imminent, so people are advised to stay indoors. Her promotion seems imminent after her strong performance this year. Skeptical. Skeptical means having doubts about something. For example, she was skeptical about the online offer because it sounded too good to be true. He looked skeptical when I told him I could finish the work in 1 hour. Some parents are skeptical about online education while others embrace it.